intend to leave your printer unattended for an extended period of time, I'm just going to run through a few short, simple steps to keep it right for when it is down for that time. So, first of all, your cap tops. So you want to clean in around your cap tops like what you do in a normal weekly clean or 2 weekly clean. Give your cap tops a good clean, and then over on the left hand side, so you want to give your heads a good clean, so all around the outside of the heads, as you would in your normal clean, your routine clean. So when you have that done, clean your wiper. So it's going to be left. You want to check your waste bottle. So empty the waste bottle, make sure that you've nothing, you've no ink, waste ink in that. And then lastly, you want to check that you've enough ink. So you've checked that you've enough ink that when the machine does do its own clean, that it's not going to run out of ink while you're away from it, and not be able to clean itself. So we've all plenty of ink on that, and that's it. That's basically all you need to do.